Hey everyone, it's Ilani here at the Vivint Demo House, and if you're a Vivint customer or somebody who's researched our products recently, you probably have heard us talk about Playback DVR and Smart Clips. Today, I'm going to break them both down so you understand the difference. Let's get started. Let's start with Vivint Smart Clips because those have been around the longest. This feature is free and comes with every system with cameras. It records up to 90-second video clips from your Gen 1 and Gen 2 cameras. And clips are motion triggered to ensure you catch the action. Think of Smart Clips like a daily video journal of events in and around your home. And you can view them via the Smart Hub or the Vivint app. Next, let's talk Vivint Playback DVR. This feature gives you a more complete view of what's going on around your house. For just $249.99, you can enable Playback DVR on up to 12 Gen 2 Vivint cameras and view up to 10 days of continuous video footage. And because recordings are stored directly on the camera, you get faster and smoother playback. Motion-triggered event markers make finding the action easy, and just like Smart Clips, you can share footage with family, neighbors, and the authorities. Both Smart Clips and Playback DVR provide the peace of mind you need to keep your house and family safe. Check out the differences and see which service works best with your equipment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notification so you know when we upload new content. Bye for now.